Hello everyone! Today's new video will be about how I managed to quickly and easily master a new beading technique. It's a 3D beaded star. I chose this design because the Christmas holidays are just around the corner. This star will make a beautiful addition to your Christmas tree as an ornament, or you can make it as a gift for someone. Personally, I plan to create one new star each new year and gradually build a collection, so that, over time, my tree will be mostly decorated with these handmade stars. Every time I saw these stars made by other craftswomen, I thought they were very difficult to make. When I started looking for tutorials online, I realized that the process involves creating separate pieces that are later sewn together. Even after finding instruction, I constantly struggled with understanding complex patterns and figuring out how to align the design correctly. Then fate led me to a website called Coralinio. It simplified the learning and beading process for me, and I was able to create the star effortlessly on my very first attempt. I suggest you check out this platform and start beading so that the process will be just as smooth for you. I'm absolutely thrilled with this discovery, and today I sincerely want to recommend it to each of you. This platform combines a wealth of useful features and is the perfect solution for both beginners and professionals working with beading patterns. Its main advantages include 3D visualization of the patterns, step-by-step video instructions, progress tracking, and a wide range of patterns for bracelets, stars, and tapestries to suit any taste. Additionally, you can customize bead colors and numbers directly on the website. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these features. For the beading process, we'll need bead mat, thread, needles, scissors, filler for the finished star, and decorative thread for fastening. Detailed recommendation on the specific types of needles and threads to use can always be found in the pattern information on the website. The next step was selecting beads and finding the right colors. The pattern uses miyuki delica 11 size beads. I encountered a problem where I couldn't find some colors in local stores, and the delivery would take a long time. I wanted to start beading as quickly as possible, so I decided to replace some of the bead numbers directly on the website. This can be easily done by choosing a specific bead number, a color already used in the pattern, or simply selecting a new color from the palette and then saving your choice. It turned out to be so easy that I decided to go further and change the colors of certain elements in the pattern. I chose to make the character's costume completely red and remove the excess blue color. I also couldn't find a suitable color for the ground, so I decided to replace it with pearl sand white, which will resemble snow where the character is sitting. Now, these colors are no longer needed, so let's remove them. The pattern's legend also indicates the quantity and approximate weight of beads needed, which is very convenient. This way I quickly checked whether the colors I selected would be enough. And finally we get to the most exciting part, the beading process. Since this way my first time, it was very important for me to have clear step-by-step instruction and visualization of the pattern, so I could easily track where I was in the process. The Coralinio website is truly a treasure because each step comes with both text and video instructions. It's nearly impossible to make a mistake, as the progress is also displayed in the convenient 3D visualization of the pattern, and your progress is saved. So if I need to step away, for example, to have a snack or want to continue the next day, I'll never get confused about where I left off and can pick up right where I stopped. I started making progress on the pattern, and the more I managed to do, the faster it became. I needed to bead 5 separate pieces in total. I don't plan to make a tutorial video with detailed instruction on how to bead these stars, as the process is quite similar to the period stitch technique, but with some differences. Coralinio has already explained everything in detail, and I'm sure I won't do it better than they have. So, I definitely recommend joining their site, subscribing, or buying this or another patterns. Plus, I have a special discount promo code for you. All the details can be found in the video description and on the screen. Using the magic of editing and time-lapse, let's jump ahead by many hours. Overall, the entire weaving process took me about 11 hours. This was spread over several days with breaks. I looked for opportunities to weave anywhere I could, even in bed while watching my favorite movie, with a portable table on my lap. During breaks from weaving, I explored the website and discovered that there are many different patterns available, including some free ones for testing. There is also a pattern reader feature with the option to add your own PDF patterns. I'm already thinking about what I'll make next. Most likely a bracelet. Stay tuned for new videos on the channel and don't forget to follow my social media and the social media pages of the Coralinio website. All the links are below the video. What I enjoyed the most was the final step, sewing all the pieces together. It felt like assembling a puzzle where the parts come together and you finally get to see the result of all your hard work. Also, I added a decorative string to hang it on the Christmas tree. Let's take a closer look to beading process. Once most of the pieces were joined, I filled the center of the star with a special soft stuffing material for toys. This was to ensure the star keeps its shape and stays firm even when pressed. And now we are almost at the finish line. The beautiful New Year star ornament is ready. I'm really pleased with the result and got completely hooked on the process. I think this is an amazing result for my first try. If I had tried to learn this beading technique on my own, it would have definitely taken much more time. So my definite thumbs up for the service and my recommendation for everyone, both beginners and experienced crafters. The link to the pattern will be in the video description. And thank you for watching and for your like. See you next time. Bye bye!